welcome to Ganit Academy. In this video, I will be teaching you about the multiplication of integers. So you already studied about the multiplication of whole numbers, like 2 into 3 that gives you 6, 3 into 5 that gives you 15, right? So you are well aware of the multiplication of whole numbers. Likewise, here we will study about the multiplication of integers. That means here the negative integers are also involved. So first let us take the multiplication of two positive integers. They are nothing but the multiplication of whole numbers. So two positive integers. So whenever you multiply two positive integers, the result will also be a positive integer. That means plus into plus, that will give you plus. So we will take an example. That is 2 into 5, that gives you 10. Okay, that gives you 10. So let us take a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you know, to the left of 0, you have negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. See here, whatever you are writing here, okay, the sign here plus or minus, here it can be plus or minus. This will be telling you about the phase direction. Phase direction means, just imagine I am standing here at the center, that is 0. So if there is a plus here, I will face towards the positive number. That means to the right. This is the right, this is the left. Okay, right of 0 we have positive numbers, left of 0 we have negative numbers. So if there is positive, that means I am standing at 0 and I am facing towards right of 0. That means towards the positive integers. If there is a negative sign, that means I am facing towards the left of 0. That is towards the negative numbers. Okay, and here, here it tells you about the jump direction. This is the phase direction. This is the jump direction. It will tell you, you have to jump either forward or backward. So plus, if there is a plus sign here, that means you are going to jump forward. If I am standing here, I will jump like this. Okay, if there is minus, I will face here, and if there is plus here, I will jump forward. Jumping backward means from this position, I am jumping backward. Okay, so that is this. Plus is forward, minus is backward. Okay, just remember this. This is a phase direction and this is the jump direction. So now here we have both positive, plus 2 into plus 5, because I am discussing about the multiplication of two positive integers. So now since the phase direction is positive, I am facing to the right of 0. That means towards the positive integers. Now again here we have 5. 5, that is positive. That means I have to jump forward. From this position I have to jump forward. So 2. First I will mark 2. That is, it is a group of 2 now. Okay, 2. And how many times I have to jump? I have to jump 5 times. I have to jump 5 times. So this is first jump. Again 1, 2. This is the second jump. 1, 2. This is the third jump. 1, 2. This is the fourth jump. 1, 2. And this is the fifth jump. So I have reached 10. So 2 into 5, that is giving you positive 10. Similarly, take 2 into 3. Okay, again what you are going to do, there are two groups 1, 2, and you are jumping 3 times. You are jumping 3 times. 1 and again here 2, and this is the third jump. Third jump means it is 6. Okay, that is 6. Positive 6. Okay, so plus into plus, it is giving me plus. So positive into positive, that is giving me positive integer. Okay, now let us take one positive and one negative integer. So multiplication of positive and negative integers. So in this we have two cases. 2 into minus 3, or you can take minus 2 into 3. Both will give you minus 6. Okay, let us prove this. Let us prove this. Take a number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3 and so on. So first I will take 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. See here, if there is nothing in front of 2, that means it is a positive sign. Okay, so it is not like addition. In addition, what you are doing is you are marking 2 and then you were moving like 3 units forward or something, 3 units backward if it was a negative integer. But in this case, you always have to start with 0. In case of multiplication, always start with 0. So here the sign is positive. That means I am standing at 0 and I am facing to the right. That means towards the positive integers. But now the sign is negative. That means backwards. Negative means backwards. Jump backwards. So from here I will be jumping backwards. So how many times? 3 times. And what is the group? 2. So first 1, 2. And this is my first jump. 1, 2. This is the second jump. 1, 2. And this is my third jump. So third jump over and I have arrived at minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. It's proved. Right? So we will take the next one. Minus 2 into 3. So since here that is minus, I am facing to the left of 0. That means towards the negative integers. Since 3 has positive sign, this 3 has positive sign, I should jump forward. Okay? Towards the left and jump forward. So again, I will be jumping forward. So I will be arriving at minus 6. Okay, I will be arriving at minus 6. So, one thing you can conclude is whenever you multiply a positive and a negative integer or like this, you will be getting a negative integer. Okay, so this is another one important point to be noted. Okay, plus into plus, that was giving you plus. But now plus into minus, it gives you minus. Minus into plus, it gives you minus. Okay, now let us see multiplication of two negative integers. So, minus into minus, what will happen? We will check. Minus 2 into minus 3. According to me, answer is 6. Okay, let us check it. Okay, I will draw the number line. So first it is group of 2 and I will be jumping 3 times. So 2 and here there is a negative sign. So the negative sign, that means I am standing at 0 and facing to the left. And since it is minus 3, that means he will be jumping backwards. Now he will be jumping backwards. Okay, that means he is facing this side and jumping backwards. Okay, that means in this direction now. So 2, 1, 2. So this is one jump. 1, 2. This is the second jump. And 1, 2. This is the third jump. So I have arrived at positive 6. So the answer is positive 6. Another example is minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, minus 3 into minus 1. Once again it is negative. I am facing to the left of 0. Minus 1, that means only one jump, that is backwards. So that is 1, 2 and 3. This is the one jump. So I have arrived at 3. So again this is a positive number. So what we can conclude is minus into minus, that is giving me plus. Product of two negative integers, it is giving you plus. So we can make a table to remember whenever you have same signs, you are going to get a positive integer. When you are having different signs, you are going to get a negative integer. So this you can remember. Okay, this you can remember. Next, we will see the product of three negative integers. Product of three negative integers. Suppose I am taking -2 into -3 into -1. Okay. So first what I will do, I will multiply these two. -2 into -3. So -2 into -3, we just saw when there is 2 negative, we are going to get positive. And 2 into 3, 6. So plus 6 into -1. Once again, we have studied now, that is plus into minus, it will give you minus. 6 into 1, that will give you 6. So -6 is the answer. Okay. Another example, -1 into -4 into -3. So -1 into -4, once again minus into minus, that is giving me plus. 1 into 4, that is plus 4 into -3. Once again plus into minus, opposite signs. So negative. 4 into 3, that is 12. So I am getting -12. So whenever you have three negative integers, I will be getting a negative integer as the product. Negative integer as a product. 2 negative integers, I will get positive. 3 negative integers, I am getting negative. So what we can conclude is, whenever you have odd number of negative integers, the product is negative. Product is negative. When you are having even number of negative integers, product is positive. Product is positive. So if you have minus into minus, that gives you plus. Minus into minus, that will give you minus. Minus into minus into minus into minus, that will give you positive, because again it is even number. This is even, this is odd. So similarly, if you have 5 times negative, that will give you negative integer as the product. Okay. So this is the multiplication of 3 negative integers or more than that. Now let us say take some properties. First is the closure property. Suppose I am considering A and B as integers. A and B as integers. In general, if A and B are integers, A into B is equal to B into A. Is this true? We will see. Sorry, this is commutative. If A and B are integers, A into B is also an integer. A into B is also an integer. So let us prove this. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. Both are positive integers. So 2 into 1, I am getting 2, which is also a positive integer. Okay. Next, I will take A is equal to -2, B is equal to 4. So one is negative integer, another one is a positive integer. But A and B are integers. -2 into 4, that will give you minus into plus, minus 2 into 4, 8. Is -8 an integer? Yes, obviously this is an integer. Okay, that is an integer. So A into B is an integer. Next, I will consider A as a negative integer, B also as negative integer. -2 into -4, this will give you plus because same signs. 2 into 4, 8. Is plus 8 an integer? Yes, it is an integer. So what we can say, that integers are closed under multiplication. Integers are closed under multiplication. Okay, so this is the closure property. Now let us study about the commutative property. Commutative property. So if A and B are integers, then A into B is equal to B into A. So we have to prove this. This is a commutative property. So let us take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. So this is the first case when both A and B are positive integers. 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 2. This is what I have to prove. So whatever the order is or the grouping of the integers is, it will give you 8. This one also will give you 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. Right? So we can say A into B is equal to B into A. This was in case of positive integers. Suppose I will take A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 4. 2 into minus 4 or minus 4 into 2 obviously will be leading to minus 8 in both the cases. Minus 8 in both the cases. So here also I can say A into B is equal to B into A. Now if I take A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4, minus 4 into minus 2, both will be giving you 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. So whatever the grouping is, like in whichever order you are grouping, either you will keep this side or this side, it doesn't affect your product, right? So we can say that commutative property holds good for the integers. Okay, multiplication of integers. Next, associative property. So in this case, if A, B, C are integers, A into B into C, that is equal to A into B into C. So the grouping here is B into C. Here we have grouped A and B together. So we will take 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4. Just we have changed the grouping. That's it. First, whatever is inside the bracket, we are going to solve it. 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 12. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4. 2 into 12 is 24. 6 into 4 is 24. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now I will take negative integers. Minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 5, both are negative. So product will be plus. So 3 into 5, it is 15. Next we have minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3, again both are negative. So positive product into minus 5. Minus into plus, that is giving you minus. 2 into 15, 30. Plus into minus, minus. 6 into 5, 30. So again LHS is equal to RHS. So associative property also holds good for the multiplication of integers. Next is distributive property. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. First one is addition. So how do you write it? You know about the distributive property for the whole numbers. Similarly, for integers, A into B plus C is equal to, first multiply with this, take the sign common, again multiply with this, A into C. So 2 into 3 plus 5, that is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So let us prove this. First, whatever is inside the bracket should be solved. So 3 plus 5, it is 8. 2 into 8. What is 2 into 8? It is 16. What is this? It is 6 plus carries. Okay, 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is right. Distributivity of multiplication over addition is satisfied. Next is subtraction over subtraction. Over subtraction. So A into B minus C, that is equal to A into B, and this sign as it is, and again it is multiplied with C. So let us take minus 2 into 3 minus 2. Okay, so that is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 2. See here, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is minus 2. Answer will be minus 2. Here it is minus into plus is minus. 2 into 3 is 6. Then minus. Here it is minus. 2 into 2 is 4. And you know, minus into minus is once again it is plus. Plus 4 minus 6. So now it is the addition of two integers which are having different signs. So take the difference. 6 minus 4 is 2 and keep the sign of the number with largest absolute value. So that is minus. So minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2. So this is also satisfied. And there is some simple methods, like if they give you 16 into 12. Okay, instead of finding 12 into 6, taking the carry, we can also use this distributive property here. That is 16 into, what I can do, I will break this 10 plus 2. 12 will be broken as 10 plus 2. So what I will do, again I will apply this distributive property, 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. 16 into 10 is 160. 16 2s are 32. So this will be giving you 192. So instead of multiplying, taking the carry and all, this method, like using the distributive property, is helpful. So all these properties like commutative property, associative property, distributive property, this will help us in making the calculations easier. Okay. So wherever you find such problems, just try to break it. Suppose you have 48 into something into 48. Instead of calculating with 48, better what we will do? We will write 50 minus 2. If I get 99, I can write it as 100 minus 1. Okay. If I get 101, it is better to write 100 plus 1 and carry out the calculations. Okay. So this is all about the multiplication of integers.